How to bulk delete old Facebook post. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Facebook. Click on your profile at the left side. Click on the three dots and click on Activity Log. Click on Manage Your Posts. So all your posts will appear here. You can set a filter of the date that you want to delete it. Click on Filter. So you can select it through categories, date, audience, or people. If you're looking to bulk delete of a certain date, click on Date. Select the start date and the end date, and then click on Done. It will show you only the post of that date. If you want to delete all your posts, click on All. If not, go ahead and select which post you want to delete. At the bottom, you'll see Archive and Recycle Bin. You can select whichever to remove it from your feed. So I'm going to click on Recycle Bin. Now these posts won't appear on your profile anymore. And if you want to manage posts that you've shared in other places such as groups, then you can review those separately in Activity Log. Click on Move to Trash, and that post will be deleted. So this is how to bulk delete old Facebook posts. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.